going to do something a little different tonight. I'm going to do a review, initial purchase review, on a Pathfinder Gen 2 Canteen set. Bought this from Survival Gear Canada, I believe it was. Not sponsored, by the way. Didn't have a canteen. Picked this one up, thought, you know what, I'll do an initial review on it, and later on when I get some miles into it, I'll do a follow-up review. To start with, the case, let's pull this out of the case here. Yes, I can do this one-handed, maybe. Canteen comes with that. And can I do this one-handed? Pause. Turns out I cannot do that one-handed. Fine. So let's start with the case. Full disclosure, this strap does not come with the case. My dad's an upholsterer, so they put it on me so I'd have a decent strap to go with it. By itself, if the design is good, the thought and layout is good, the material construction is pathetic, the stitching job, likewise pathetic. If it was designed as an afterthought, maybe a nice little thought, but if it was designed to be an integral part of this kit, it's a fail. I fully expect this to fail, and when it does, I'm just going to cut it apart into its base pattern and use it as a pattern to make a proper canteen satchel. Moving on, you can see the 4 metal components. These are stainless steel. Let's start with the cook pot. Pathfinder. How much it holds in imperial and metric. The handle does pop out. Trying to do this on the camera is actually quite difficult, but it does that. Comes with a nice lid that goes into there. This is the cook stove that goes on it, so you can have a little fire or those burning bricks or what have you. Boom. And you can sterilize your water. Yeah, sterilize your water. Not purify, but sterilize. And you can do it with a canteen. You'll note right now it's actually full of water. And it's got a nice wide mouth to it. Can I open that one-handed? No. It does in fact take 2 hands to open. Nice, well watered. But the lid itself is ABS plastic with a stainless insert and silicone ring. All in all, the kit, it was going for $89.95 in Canada, I believe. The nice thing about Survival Gear Canada, yeah, I'll put a link in the description to make sure. They offer free shipping over $100, which for most people, yeah, what's that matter? For us in the Yukon, that is a big thing, let me tell you. A lot of people don't even want to ship to a post office box. But, yeah, so, anywho. There's the logo. That logo's hiding. There you go. It's going to find some use on my Ski-Doo, and later on the quads and Jeep and boat and what have you. And probably this time next year, this time next year, end of February next year, I will do another review on it. If I happen to go ahead and make a new satchel, I will. Anyway, that's that for now.